Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove pages on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Removing a page from your Squarespace site is a straightforward process. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon and click on the account dashboard. Now you would be forwarded to the main Squarespace builder editor. Alright, and for you to be able to remove pages, I want you to click on the website. And there's going to be three more options down below, wherein you can select the pages. All right. For example, you want to delete this specific page. You see, when you hover your mouse, there's going to be like a trash icon. All you have to do is click on it. Now, of course, it will prompt you to delete this link. If you want it, you can do so as well. Now, for example, this one. If you want to delete that, click on this blog pages and it will be permanently deleted in 30 days. All right, so there's a lot of options. I want you to click on it, and if you click on this say for example this one, bodily coverings, there's going to be a forward icon. You would notice that there's going to be another option at the bottom that says delete page. All right. Now, you might want to do this if the information on the page is outdated or irrelevant to your current business, brand, or content strategy. Removing the page keeps your site focused and relevant because too many pages can clutter your site, making it harder for users to navigate. Removing unnecessary pages simplifies the site structure and improves the user experience. Once you click that, remember that you have like 30 days for you to be able to recover, but after that, it's going to be permanently deleted. And having multiple pages right here with a similar content or outdated information can confuse your visitors. So deleting redundant or conflicting pages ensures that users find accurate and up-to-date content. Now, the idea is if you wanted to remove unnecessary pages, it will help keep your site relevant, well-organized, and user-friendly. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.